Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Listening to My Body by Gabby Gracia, illustrated by Ying Hayu Tan. My body is my friend. It tells me lots of things. I yawn when I'm tired. My stomach growls to let me know I'm hungry, and sometimes I get goosebumps when it's cold. This happens on its own without me doing anything. I may not even notice that it's happening, but I can start paying attention to my body, and so can you. When I pay attention, I listen to my body. I notice many different sensations. Sensations are the physical feelings we have inside and outside our bodies. Cold, sweaty, strong, and breathless are examples of some sensations. Have you felt these sensations before? The sensations in my body are always changing. There are times when my body is so wiggly and squirmy that it's like I'm having ants in my pants. And other times my body is calm and still. And sometimes the beat of my heart is like a gentle tap. Sometimes I feel like a pounding drum. I can also listen to my body for clues about how I'm feeling about things happening around me. Feelings are not good or bad. There's something we all experience. Curious, proud, and grumpy, and scared are a few feelings we all have. What other feelings can you name? What I've learned from listening to my body is that sensations and feelings go together. I noticed this when I got to ride a roller coaster for the first time. I was super excited that I was finally tall enough to ride it, but I also felt nervous as I climbed aboard. My belly felt squishy and fluttery. My mom calls this having butterflies in your stomach, but I thought it felt more like a kitty chasing ping pong balls in there. What sensations do you notice when you're excited or nervous? When I got off the roller coaster, I was buzzing and tingling all over. My eyes were like saucers, and I had a smile plastered on my face. I felt awesome. Sometimes when I'm sad, I get a lump on my throat that makes me hard to talk or breathe. Soon, warm tears roll down my face, and I may start to cry harder. Crying makes me feel better. So do hugs. We feel sad at times. What do you need when you're sad? My mom once explained that to me that sensations and feelings are like waves in the ocean. Some come crashing in, while others roll gently, and they always come and go. We can't stop the waves from coming, but we can pay attention to them so they don't knock us over. Sometimes my skin gets hot and my jaw and fists feel hard as rock. That happened to my body the last time I got really angry at my sister. She just destroyed the puzzle I was working on all afternoon. I stopped my feet and he slammed the door, but I really wanted to kick it. But then I remembered to take a deep breath and blow out through my lips like a horse. And it didn't take long for my jaw and hands to relax and for my skin to cool down. The angry feeling and the sensations faded away. Blowing horse lips even made me feel a little silly, and it tickled. I decided to put the puzzle on my table that my sister couldn't reach. Sometimes I got overwhelmed and needed help from a grown-up. On the first day of school, I woke up super early because I couldn't stop thinking about what my new class would be like. My stomach felt like it was tight and hot, so I didn't eat breakfast. In class, it was hard for me to focus with what my new teacher, Miss Morgan, was saying, and my body was shaky. When it was time to line up, I accidentally bumped my desk and knocked all my stuff on over the floor. Everything was going wrong. Miss Morgan helped me pick up my things. I took deep breaths, and she reminded me and told her about my morning. And she explained that our brains have a hard time thinking when our bodies are tired and hungry. Miss Morgan thought, yeah, this happened to me in school before. But I didn't really fall off. I just did something wrong. I just forgot about what I did. Yeah. Miss Morgan thought I would feel better if I had a snack and rested in a quiet area while class was at recess. She was right. I was calm and I was able to focus, so the rest of my day went much better. It's okay to get help when we need it. Who is an adult who helps you? At other times when I'm upset, I can figure out what I need on my own by listening to my body. I can pay attention to my breathing, my heartbeat, and the temperature of my skin or any other sensation. I am hungry or thirsty, tired or full of energy. Is my belly tense up and tight? of soft and relaxed? These are just some questions I can ask myself. I can also try to name my feelings. Do I feel peaceful or playful, confused or frustrated, hurt or cranky? There are many different ways I may be feeling, and they are all okay. Listening to my body and naming what I feel takes practice, but it helps me figure out what I need to do. I need to have a snack, drink some water, or get some rest. Do I need to take a deep breath or sing my favorite song? Do I need to stay in a quiet place alone or go outside and jump around? I can color or draw, dance, cuddle with my dog, or hang around someone I love. These are things I do to help me feel calm, happy, or peaceful. Everybody is different, so you get to decide what feels best for you. The more I practice listening to my body, the better I get in responding with care and kindness for myself. I can get better at listening to my body. So can you. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!